How to start a gaming channel on YouTube 2021. Planning your YouTube channel. Figure out what your skills are. Figure out what game you want to cover. Decide on the format for your content. Come up with a name for your channel. Creating a YouTube gaming channel. Create a new Google account. Go to youtube.com. Upload a profile image. Create and upload your YouTube channel banner art. Add a description to your channel. Producing content for your channel. Purchase the equipment you'll need. Do some test shots. Familiarize yourself with the YouTube community guidelines. Record your videos. Edit your video. Come up with a good title for your video. Create a custom thumbnail image for your video. Upload videos often. Listen to your community. Promote your channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.